embassy in Washington, D.C. Just under 400 Russian diplomats will stay in the United States. The Russians will now have diplomatic offices just in New York City, Washington, D.C., and Houston. The Seattle consulate closed as part of this diplomatic fray, officials citing its proximity to Boeing and a U.S. Navy submarine yard. Last year, the consulate in San Francisco was searched and seized by federal officials in retaliation for Russia ordering U.S. diplomats out of that country. Russian trade missions in Washington and New York were also closed at that time. Joining me now, NBC News Chief Foreign Correspondent Richard Engel and former